Hello students, now again here with the comparing quantity. We are starting some new topics. In my previous video I told you about the discount. Now in this video I'll be telling you about the profit and the loss. Profit and loss. You must be very much familiar with these two terms in your previous classes. Profit and loss. Profit means we also call it as the gain. हमें कितना फ़ायदा हुआ है, कितना लाभ हुआ है, that is the profit. And this profit is actually, profit and loss both are interconnected and they are just based on the cost price and the selling price. Cost price, the price on which the shopkeeper buys the things, objects, the materials. जितने में शॉपकीपर खरीदता है, that is the cost price. And the selling price, वो कितने प्राइस में उसको बेचता है, that is the selling price. And the net difference between these two, the difference tells whether there is profit or loss. When the selling price is greater than the cost price, then there is a gain, or we can say that profit is there. For example, suppose you have bought a thing of ₹50. आपने 50 रुपीज़ का कोई सामान खरीदा and you are selling it at ₹60. आपने उसको 60 रुपीज़ में बेच दिया. So cost price will be 50 rupees and selling price will be 60 rupees, which is greater than this cost price. So there is a difference of 10 rupees. Rupees 10. So rupees 10 is the profit. This rupees 10 is said to be the profit. ये profit है. And this profit and loss all are calculated on the CP. Cost price कितना है उसी पे डिपेंड करता है कि profit कितना होगा. Then loss is there when SP is less than CP. हमने जितने में ख़रीदा था उससे कम में हम उसको सेल करें. Like cost price was 50 rupees. Now if the selling price is ₹35, then there is a difference. SP is less than the CP, and so CP minus SP, 50 minus 35, ₹15. So there is a loss of 15 rupees. ये हम 50 रुपीज़ में ख़रीद के लेके आए थे और 35 में हम बेच रहे हैं, उसको कम कीमत पे बेच रहे हैं. So there is a loss, and loss is of ₹15. Loss percent and profit percent. Both are calculated on CP. इस CP पे ही कैलकुलेट होता है लॉस परसेंट या प्रॉफिट परसेंट. Just you can see that there was a profit of 10 rupees. So 10 rupees is a profit on ₹50, and percent is calculated by into 100%. Now you can see that there is a profit of 20%. 20% का हमें प्रॉफिट है. एंड लॉस 15 रुपीज़ लॉस हुआ है 50 रुपीज़ पर. %30. There is a loss of 30% and there is a profit of 20%. If the CP is rupees 50, the profit is rupees 10 and the loss is rupees 15. That is how we are calculating the loss percent, the profit percent, and we can calculate the loss and the gain. Now in this profit and loss there is overhead expense. That overhead expense is what? We bring anything, any material at a cost price, and then we do something extra from our pocket to bring it to the shop. हमने कोई चीज़ ख़रीदा है उसको किसी कॉस्ट प्राइस पे, एंड देन वी ब्रिंग इट टू आवर शॉप. हम अपने दुकान में इसको लेके आए. सो वी विल डू आइदर सम ट्रॉली और सम mini truck or something like that, in which that material is loaded from the factory and from the place where we have brought, and then we bring it to our shop. And that charge, ये charge जो transportation में लगा है, उस मटेरियल को हमारे शॉप तक लाने में, that is the overhead एक्सपेंस. वो ओवरहेड एक्सपेंस है कि हमको अपने जेब से खर्चा करना पड़ेगा. उसको जो लेके आया है उसकी कीमत हमें देना पड़ेगा. सम अदर थिंग्स आर देयर. सपोज यू हैव बॉट अ कार. आपने एक कार खरीदी एंड आफ्टर 2 years, 2 साल के बाद यू हैव अगेन रिपेयरिंग वर्क. आपने उसको रिपेयर कराया एंड देन सोल्ड इट, और उसके बाद उसको सेल कर दिया. कार खरीदा आपने, आफ्टर 2 years यू हैव रिपेयर्ड इट. आपने उसको रिपेयर कराया, उसमें नया पेंट कराया, उसको मशीन सब ठीक कराई और उसको बेच दिया. नाउ दिस वन, रिपेयरिंग वन, is also the overhead expense. ये भी overhead expense में आता है. This is also overhead expense, and this overhead expense is added on this CP. This is the extra money which we are expending on the same material. So we are taking the total CP as the sum of both these, and then we calculate the profit or the loss. Now I'll be telling you some of the examples of this in my next video.